morning, our top story today. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has announced a major expansion of the country's nuclear arsenal. State media reports that North Korea will increase its number of nuclear weapons exponentially. We have comprehensive coverage of this breaking news. Let's go to our reporters for the latest details.
Kim Jong-un made this announcement during a military event in Pyongyang. He started that North Korea plans to significantly ramp up its nuclear weapons to strengthen its defense against perceived threats from other countries. This represents a major escalation in North Korea's nuclear arsenal.
The international community has reacted strongly. The United Nations has condemned the announcement, calling it a severe threat to global security. The UN Security Council is set to hold an emergency meeting to discuss potential responses, which may include new sanctions on North Korea.
Thank you for those updates. We'll keep you informed as the story develops throughout the day. Stay with us for more news and updates after this break.
Si Alice Bunga.
Meanwhile, South Korea and Japan are responding by enhancing their security measures. Both countries are reviewing their defense strategies and working closely with the United States to address the increase of threat. They're focusing on ensuring preparedness and stability in the region.
In Washington, USA, officials are exploring various options in response to North Korea announcement. This might include implementing additional sanctions or pursuing diplomatic measures to pressure North Korea into negotiations. Analysis suggests that this development could heighten tension and impact international relations significantly.
Go.
Meanwhile, South Korea...